Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you're watching my video. And in today's video we are going to do the question answers of comprehension passage that we have done in the last live class. I am repeating, in the last live class we have discussed the whole comprehension passage of chapter 4, and today I am going to discuss the back exercises of that comprehension passage. I hope you have done as a homework, but now you are going to know whether your answers are correct or no. So let's start the class. So question number 1 is, look at page 44, is répondez aux questions suivantes. Respond to the questions next. Number 1, où va Marie? Where the Marie is going? Avec qui? With whom? Where Marie is going and with whom? So Marie is going to zoo. Marie, answer A is Marie va au zoo. Va au zoo avec ses amis, with her friends. Right? I hope you are noting down answers or you are rechecking. Now, qu'est-ce que Sylvie mange? What does Sylvie eat? She eat a burger. So we got Sylvie mange un burger, a burger. Sylvie eats a burger. Now, C part. Quel animal regarde-t-il dans le zoo? Which animals they watch in the zoo? So there were 3 animals. Now you have to find out your answer from the question only. So il regarde. First write down the subject and find out what is the subject in the question, then write down the subject, and then find out what is the verb, then write down the verb. Il regarde, they watch. So which one was that? The first animal, that was a grand éléphant. Un grand éléphant, a big elephant. A petit singe, a small monkey. S-I-N-G-E, singe, monkey. You can cross check the spelling from the book also. A tigre aussi, and a tiger also. Keep it in mind that tiger, spellings of tiger is T-I-G-R-E. It's not E-R, G-R-E. Okay? Now, I hope it's clear. They watch a big elephant, a small monkey, and a tiger as well. Now, question number 2. Question 2 is true false. So, dites vrai ou faux, tell right or wrong. Le tigre est grand et laid. The tiger is big and ugly. No, it's not ugly. They have not mentioned that it's ugly. Yes, it is big. So that would be 4. That would be 4. So it's question 2. A part is 4. Next one is Mari va au zoo avec ses amis. Mari is going to zoo with her friends. Yes. That means it's way. Right? No. C part is éléphant saute beaucoup de fois. The elephant is jumping a lot, or it was jumping many times. Yes or no? No. So that is 4. It was monkey who was jumping a lot, right? So that is 4. Tous les trois finissent leur repas et rentrent à la maison. 3 of them finish their food and return to home. Yes, it is true. So brave. Yes, it is brave. Right? Now, come to the last part. Donner l'infinitif des verbes. Give the infinitive of the verb. You need to write the name of the verb here. First one is F-I-N-I-S-S-O-N-S. Finissons. Finissons. Let's finish or finish. The verb is finir. Verb is finir. Question 3. A part is finir. F-I-N-I-R. You can find out the verb from the suffix which is used at the end of the conjugation, right? You can judge it from there. You're knowing very well what are the rules to conjugate IR, ER verbs. From there you can judge. So the second one is sauter. Sauter is ending with E, that means it's an ER ending verb. So S-A-U-T-E-R, sauter is to jump. Then you have rentrons. Rentrons is finishing with ONS, that means it's ER ending verb. Rentrer. Rentrer is to return. Then you have to see the next one is M-A-N-G-E, mange. Again ending with E, that means ER ending verb. Manger is to eat. Next is apporter, is to bring. ONS indicates its ER ending verb. Apporter is to bring, right? A-P-P-O-R-T-E-R. So we are finished with the comprehension passage today. As we need to do adjective possessive in the next class, I'm not going to start it today as we are short of time now. Only 2-3 minutes are left, and it's a big I would say it's a big topic. So we are going to do possessive adjective in the next class or live class. If you'd be having some doubts, in that case I will start it in the next video. So till then, revise well, do all the answers in your book, and try to do the possessive adjectives before coming to the class, as we have done this in class 6 as well, to get the good understanding of this particular topic. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.